right here offshore looking for you. Now you hurry back with that gasoline. I'll be right here.
This should be easy.
Hey,
You just need to grab some diesel.
Hey, there's a boat. No.
No.
There's not gonna be any gas. Watch.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
Yeah, let's do it.
Joining, I appreciate it.
Oh, man!
We'll stay here. Best goddamn burger tank I have ever visited. Molotovs.
Can't do it.
Grabbing a bile jar. Reloading.
Ain't that a load of shit? Nah, man.
Look at this. Oh, shit. Watch out.
Hold up. Gonna heal.
Jesus, no!
Hell
First aid
no.
kit here.
Hey, Coach. Shut up,
No.
Nick.
Would you guys?
Well, pissed! Shut up, Coach. Jesus, no!
Reloading.
Oh, what the hell? It's raining.
God damn it.
No!
Careful, guys.
Reloading. You kids ready?
We're gonna be coming back through here, so keep an eye out for the landmarks.
Reloading.
Yeah, no. Oh, hogwash, man!
Through that playground.
Reloading.
Everyone ready? Ah, shit. My bad.
Hey, stop a minute.
Watch out. No.
Oh, shit, that ain't right. Wait.
Hurry up.
Reloading.
This is awful. Ain't that a load of shit?
Heads up.
Money, man. Where are you guys?
I'm here.
Reloading.
Follow me this way. I'm
Reloading.
Hell, this bastard! Hell yeah! That ain't right.
Watch out. You don't have to.
They ain't taking us alive. Hey, watch out!
Look out.
Oh, thanks.
Well, I'll be a
Reloading.
Hold on. Dang, bro, listen to you. You sound like my
Man,
mama.
it's about to get all Baghdad and shit.
I really heard something.
Coach! Shut up, Nick.
Would you,
You
guys
crazy?
shut up?
Man, this is awful. Look.
Hey, Sue!
Weapons over here.
Nope. What?
Reloading!
Bullshit.
Watch out!
Reloading.
But you go down like that again, and that's it. You can have this. Well, piss.
Thank you.
We're good.
I'll find this one.
Hold on, y'all. I'm healing.
No, thank you.
Go, go, go. That's what I'm talking about.
Hogwash. Hey, coach.
Here!
Reloading.
Look out.
Molotov out.
Heads up.
Damn! I need some help!
Come on, move back. Come on, back up. Move back. Shoot it! Shoot it!
Time to move. Let's go.
Coach.
Reloading.
Shit.
You do have a heart. A heart of gold.
This is
Okay,
awful.
seriously hurts.
Bullshit.
Do we not shoot each other some sort of password or something?
Sorry, guys.
Oh my God, it's Christmas!
Ain't got no time for this shit. Get in here.
Oh, you
Get inside.
No, man!
Hold up. Gonna heal.
Jesus, no!
Ah, we got ticket.
You hear that charger?
That's bullshit. Nick. Hey, stop a minute. You reckon we should move out now? Nick.
Reloading.
I'm reloading.
There's the sugar mill. Careful, y'all.
Reloading.
Reloading. Reloading!
I got you back.
Bill's here. Ain't that a load of shit?
Okay. Gotta find me some real first aid. Come on, this way.
Well, piss!
We can still do this before the storm hits.
Hey, I'm reloading. Reload.
Pills here. Rochelle. Okay, this can last for a Can we stop shooting each other?
I'm telling you something you don't know, but please be careful. Come on, stick with me, y'all. Follow me.
We tight.
Reloading.
Here they come!
Let's go here.
Careful, y'all. Let's go! Come on, back it up. Come on, back up. Oh, back it up.
Shoot the tank! Gonna heal.
Take the damn thing!
I've never seen so many too.
Kill him, man. Kill him.
Keep shooting!
Nice job, man. So you reckon we should move on now? Look out!
I'm cool.
This don't look bad.
Thank you. You're gonna have to do better than that to kill me. A little pick me up.
Up that ramp.
Look out now! Holy shit! Shit, that's a lot of witches.
Reloading.
I'm too young for
Don't worry about me. I'll be okay.
Everybody grab the health kit now. Grab the health kit. Be careful. I want you to have this.
Son of a bitch.
I owe you one.
All right. Hang on. This might sting a bit.
Go be careful now.
Better.
Weapons over here.
Yeah, boy.
I got these pills.
Be careful.
Whole lot of witches around here. Reloading.
Careful, y'all.
Game on, baby!
Leave you, sexy.
Shit, this place is already starting to flood.
My bad.
Oh, shit!
Defib unit here.
First aid kit here. Grab the health kit. Grab the health kit. Everybody grab the health kit now. Grab the health kit.
I'm gonna heal your ass.
Wait, reloading.
Up here.
Hey, Coach. I'll follow you.
Reloading.
Get ready.
Hey, man, we gotta go.
Reloading.
Go, go, go.
Reloading.
This should be good.
chest paddles.
Yes. Stand still.
Yeah, I'm feeling right.
Hey, look out! Hunter's got coke! God damn. Hunter! Hey, watch out! Already! Pipe bomb out.
Oh, shit! Watch out!
Go get her! That ain't right. Hey, there's gas in the safe room. Hey, can y'all cover me?
Let's
I got a
get
deal.
That was a little too close.
Got our shit, let's get back to the boat.
Coach.
How bad do these storms get?
Heads up! Back through the cane field.
Cut that shit out!
Sorry about that.
Oh,
Look
shit!
out!
Watch
Hey,
out!
it's bitter!
Close here.
We can take the
Hey,
elevator
look
back
out!
up.
Come on, man.
Jockey! Cover me for a sec, I gotta heal.
Ain't that a load of shit? Go! Dang, bro, listen to you. You sound like my mama. All right. Hey, look over here. I can't see a damn thing! Can one of you people come and get me, please?
Hey, don't worry. Not a scratch. I'm game. Always.
Thanks, killer. I'm not dead yet. Thanks. Healing.
Why ain't that a load of shit?
Ain't no shame in getting some help.
Appreciate it, Coach. I hear one of them backhumpers around here. Run! Sorry over there.
Damn! I need some help!
Just get me out of here.
I'm here.
Hey, watch out! Storm! Stay close! Happy New Year! I can't see sh-
Damn, I'm all turned around now.
You go, man. I want you to have this.
Thanks.
Reloading.
Stay close!
right that you were shooting me.
Somebody done.
Y'all get ready now.
Reloading.
Jesus, no, man.
I remember that porch light.
Everybody, reloading. Want you to have this.
Thank you. Move, pick me up.
Y'all clear. We're going the right way.
Crazy.
Leave that with your life. You have gotta be kidding me.
Hey, stop a minute. Wait right here. Come on, y'all, hurry up.
Shit, that ain't right.
Shoot the witch! Shoot the witch! Shoot the witch!
Got some explosive rounds right here. Things around.
Here!
I'm too young.
Let's get you back up on your feet.
Thanks. God damn it, I can't believe this.
Defib unit. Here. Follow me.
I need to find some help.
Look right there.
Don't worry.
They're telling you
Don't
something
worry.
you don't know, but
I'm not
be
done yet.
careful.
Careful, small.
Nice shot. One of you people come and get me. Sit it down! Sit down! Thing on me! I think these became long shots. Could use a hand over here. Don't even think to leave me here. Hey, get your ass up now. Come on. Thank you. All right, now I'm back. Chase this. Hear that, honey?
Hey, look
Get
out!
your asses in here right now.
Sorry.
Get your asses in here.
Happy New Year.
Let's go.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
If we fire up the burger tank sign, Virgil might see.
All right, sounds like a plan.
All right. That hit the spot.
Reloading. Reloading. Ninja sword here. Weapons over here.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Ammunition.
They tell you something you don't know, but beat.
Like a 10-foot tall monster!
There's a smoker around here.
Ready?
Hunter's got road!
Reloading. You want to watch where you're shooting?
Yep.
We're making it look easy.
Kill this bastard, will you?
Shoot the tank!
Jesus, no!
You hear that, Boomer?